2026 is here, and most people are already failing. They made resolutions on January 1st. By January 14th, they quit. Same patterns, same excuses, same life. But you're different. You clicked this video because something inside you refuses to stay mediocre. The Stoics knew a secret. Transformation doesn't come from motivation. It comes from systems, from daily non-negotiable habits that compound over time. Today, I'm giving you 12 habits the ancient Stoics used to build empires, survive slavery, and create philosophies that outlasted kingdoms. These aren't gentle suggestions. These are brutal truths. If you apply even 3 of these, your life will never be the same. Number 12 will make you question everything. Let's start. Seneca said, "We suffer more often in imagination than in reality." Most of your stress lives in your head. Most of your fear is fictional. These 12 habits destroy that fiction and force you into reality. Reality where you have power. Before we begin, hit seat of your own life. Most people are passengers. You're about to become the driver. Habit number 2. Treat every conversation like your last. Stoics practiced what they called the view from above, imagining their life from a distance, seeing how small their arguments were, how brief their time was. Here's a brutal exercise. Before you speak to someone today, imagine this is the last time you'll ever see them. Would you waste it arguing? Would you hold back "I love you"? Would you stay silent about what matters? Epictetus lost people he loved. He wrote, "Don't demand that things happen as you wish, but wish that they happen as they do happen, and you will go on well." Translation: people leave, people die, people change. Stop saving your best words for someday. Someday doesn't exist. Modern example: you're mad at your mom. You want to prove you're right. You want her to apologize first. But what if she's gone tomorrow? Was being right worth losing your last chance to say what matters? Stoics speak like every conversation could be the final one, because it could be. Habit number 3. Assign yourself a difficult task daily. Seneca was rich beyond measure. He could have lived in luxury every single day. Instead, he deliberately did hard things. Slept on stone, fasted, walked in the cold. Why? Because he said, difficulties strengthen the mind, as labor does the body. Your brain is a muscle. If you only do easy things, it gets weak. When real hardship comes, you collapse. Stoics train in peacetime for wartime. Every single day, do one thing that scares you or hurts you or makes you uncomfortable, not for pain's sake, for strength's sake. Have the conversation you're avoiding. Make the call you're dreading. Do the workout that destroys you. Send the email that terrifies you. Each hard thing you do is a deposit in your resilience account. When life withdraws from that account, and it will, you'll have enough saved. Habit number 4. Subtract before you add. Everyone talks about building new habits. Stoics understood something deeper. Sometimes the fastest way to improve your life is to remove what's destroying it. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "If you are distressed by anything external, the pain is not due to the thing itself, but to your estimate of it, and this you have the power to revoke at any moment." What's draining you right now? A toxic friendship, a soul-crushing job, a bad habit you keep defending, an app that steals 3 hours daily, a relationship that died 2 years ago but you're carrying the corpse? Subtraction creates space. Space for what actually matters. Try this. Today, eliminate one thing. Delete one app. End one draining relationship. Quit one commitment you hate. Stop one habit that's killing you. You don't need to add more to your life. You need to remove the poison. Habit number 5. Become the person nobody can manipulate. Epictetus was born a slave. People controlled his body, his time, his freedom. But he discovered something powerful. They couldn't control his mind. He said, "The person who follows reason in all things will have both leisure and a readiness to act." They are both cheerful and self-composed. Translation: when you know what you value, nobody can manipulate you. When you know what you stand for, nobody can move you. Most people don't know what they believe, so advertisers tell them what to want, so toxic people tell them what to feel, so society tells them what to chase. Stoics build an internal code, a set of non-negotiable principles. Then they live by that code regardless of pressure. Write down 5 principles you will never compromise. Examples: I never lie to avoid discomfort. I never betray someone's trust for personal gain. I never abandon my health for temporary pleasure. I never trade my time for things I don't value. I never let fear make my decisions. Now live by them. Watch how free you become when you can't be bought, scared, or swayed. Habit number 6. Review your day like a general reviews a battle. Seneca practiced evening reflection. He wrote, I examine my entire day and go back over what I've done and said, hiding nothing from myself, passing nothing by. He didn't just think about his day. He analyzed it, like a general studying a battlefield. Where did I win today? Where did I lose? What enemy defeated me? Laziness, anger, distraction. What ally helped me? Discipline, focus, courage. What will I do differently tomorrow? This isn't guilt. This is intelligence. Most people repeat the same mistakes forever because they never stop to analyze them. You're about to become someone who learns from every single day. Every evening, spend 5 minutes asking those questions. Write the answers. Watch patterns emerge. Watch yourself evolve in real time. Habit number 7. Build something with your hands. The Stoics were not just philosophers sitting in libraries. Marcus Aurelius led armies. Epictetus ran a school. Seneca managed estates. They built things, physical things. Modern life is dangerously abstract. You push pixels, you send emails, you move information, but you never build anything you can touch. This disconnects you from reality. This makes you weak. Once a week, build something physical. Cook a meal from scratch. Fix something broken. Build furniture. Garden. Sculpt. Paint. Construct. The act of creating something real with your hands grounds you. It reminds you that you have power in the physical world, not just the digital one. It reconnects you to the ancient part of your brain that built shelters and hunted food and survived. You need that connection. Your ancestors didn't stare at screens. They built empires with their hands. Honor that. Habit number 8. Fast from comfort, not just food. Everyone knows about fasting from food. Stoics practiced fasting from everything. Fasting from comfort, fasting from entertainment, fasting from validation. Once a week, remove one comfort. No hot water, no soft bed, no music, no entertainment. Just you and silence and discomfort. Seneca said, "It is in times of security that the spirit should be preparing itself for difficult times." You're not fasting to punish yourself. You're fasting to train yourself. So when comfort is taken from you, and it will be, you don't collapse. So when life gets hard, you're already hard. Modern people panic when their phone dies. Stoics trained to need a nothing. Try a 24-hour comfort fast this week. Cold showers only. Sleep on the floor. No phone, no TV, no distractions. Just you. See who you are when comfort is removed. Most people discover they are addicted to easy. You're about to break that addiction. Habit number 9. Speak only when you improve the silence. Marcus Aurelius said, "If it is not right, do not do it. If it is not true, do not say it." Most people talk to fill space. They say things they don't mean. They gossip to feel included. They complain to get attention. They speak without thinking. Stoics practice strategic silence. They speak only when their words add value. Only when their words are true. Only when their words improve the silence. Before you speak today, ask yourself 3 questions. Is this true? Is this necessary? Is this kind? If the answer to any of these is no, stay silent. Watch what happens. You'll speak 70% less, but your words will carry 300% more weight. People will start listening when you talk, because you only talk when it matters. Habit number 10. Rehearse your death weekly. This sounds dark. It's not. It's the most life-affirming practice you'll ever do. Stoics rehearsed death constantly, not because they were morbid, because rehearsing death makes you appreciate life. Every Sunday, sit in silence for 10 minutes. Imagine you die next week. Imagine your funeral. Who's there? What do they say about you? Did you live the life you wanted? Did you love who you wanted to love? Did you build what you wanted to build? Did you say what needed to be said? Or did you waste your time on nonsense? This practice destroys procrastination. This practice kills fear. This practice forces clarity. When you truly accept you're going to die, you stop living like you have forever. You start living like someone on borrowed time, because you are. Habit number 11. Treat insults as data, not attacks. Epictetus taught that nobody can insult you without your permission. He said, if someone criticizes you, ask yourself if what they say is true. If it's true, why be angry? If it's false, why care? Most people get defensive when criticized. They argue, they justify, they attack back. Stoics treat insults like information. Is this true? Then I need to fix it. Thank you. Is this false? Then it's irrelevant. Moving on. Either way, you win. Criticism either helps you grow or reveals the critic's ignorance. Modern example. Someone calls you lazy. 2 options. Option 1. Get offended. Defend yourself. Argue. Ruin your day. Option 2. Ask to die for your principles. But you should know what they are, and you should live like they matter more than anything else. Write this down. What 3 principles would you die for? Now organize your life around them. Every decision filtered through those principles, every choice measured against those values. When you know what you'd die for, you finally know how to live. If you're still here, you're rare. Most people already clicked away because this is hard. These 12 habits will rebuild you from the ground up. But only if you choose one today and start. Not tomorrow. Today. Marcus Aurelius ruled an empire and still found time for these practices. You have time. You just have to choose to use it. Subscribe if you're serious about transformation. Comment which habit you're starting with. Share this with one person who needs to hear it. 2026 is 51 weeks long. That's 51 chances to rebuild your life 1 week at a time. Stop waiting. Start now.